Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account with the calendars you need and admin access in Go High Level. Once confirmed, create OAuth credentials in Google Cloud and note the client ID and secret. Open Go High Level, navigate to Settings, then Integrations, and choose Google. Start the Connect flow. You'll paste the OAuth redirect URI from GHL into Google Cloud, then save credentials. This establishes the secure handshake, so GHL can read and write events on your calendars. Next, paste the OAuth client ID and secret into the GHL Google integration and click Authorize. You'll be prompted to pick which Google account and calendars GHL may access. Grant only necessary permissions so events sync correctly. Once authorized, map calendars to specific GHL users or teams. This controls where bookings and notifications appear. Make sure time zone and working hours match between systems to avoid double bookings, and save the integration settings to enable live two-way syncing of events. Finalize by running a practical test. Create a booking in Go High Level and an event directly in Google Calendar, then verify both appear in each system. If items don't sync, first reauthorize the integration in GHL to refresh tokens, and confirm the calendar permissions include write access. Also check the OAuth redirect URI exactly matches what GHL provided, clear browser cache, and inspect Google API quota limits. If problems persist, revoke and recreate credentials, then repeat authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.